Hello viewers, today I show you how to make a Pinterest board private. Now you cannot find a private option in Pinterest. It's had in the previous version of Pinterest. Now it become archive. So you can do the same work by archive option. So now I am going to show you how to make a board archive and unarchive. Here I use two Pinterest account, one are in mobile, other in computer to show this process. Okay, fine. Let's watch. First, open my Pinterest app from my mobile phone. And this is my homepage. Now I click here to go profile page. There are many boards in this page. From these boards, I will make a board private. The name of this board is model. Okay. Here I open another account from my computer. And search the account which opens in my mobile phone. Okay. Here see this board. In mobile, I archive this board. Click here and archive it. Now it is private and hide for other users. Let's see from another account from my computer. Okay. There have no board named model. Because I archive it. Now unarchive this board. Now it shows for other accounts. From my computer, this board appears now. Thanks for watching.